Thank you very much, Mr. Harif. I'd like to take this opportunity to invite Ms. Naik on stage to also please share a few words with us. Ladies and gentlemen, with a warm round of applause, please welcome Ms. Naik.
As Diti ended her song, yes, we are all ITC. And when I look back at the 37 years that I've spent in this great company, I can't help but feel so privileged to be part of this great company, this great family of 26,000 ITC employees. This morning, Nazeeb took us through a video clip of the various claim to fame events. And I must say, it moved us to see the spirit of ITC, the great inspiration that ITC is for all of us, and the level of engagement that all of us feel as part of this great company. At lunch today, I was talking to Vaidhi and saying, you know, we've never entered a competition which says, which are the great places to work with? I don't think we need to, because the kind of engagement we see in all of us is ample testimony to the fact that ITC is a great company, that ITC is a great community, and ITC is a great family. So thanks for making ITC what it is. Right? I think each one of us contributes to making it a great company, a great family, and let's keep the spirit going. Let's take ITC onto the next century and take immense pride in what we have achieved and what is ahead in store for us. Thank you very much and all the very best.
Thank you very much, sir, for your very kind words. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the big moment has finally arrived. And at the juncture of this event, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you our panel of respected judges, who I believe have a very, very tedious task up ahead of them. So without further ado, I request you to put your hands together as I introduce to you our first judge for today, Srimati Tanushree Shankar. Tanushree Shankar is one of the leading dancers and choreographers of contemporary dance in India. She leads the Tanushree Shankar Dance Company, one of the leading exponents of contemporary dance forms in India. Tanushree Shankar's dances are mostly based on music by her husband Ananda Shankar, composer and popularizer of world music, whose melodies perfectly complement his wife's dynamic choreography. She travels with the troupe extensively also around the world. Her last notable productions include Uddharan, the upliftment of the soul, and Chirantan, which means the eternal, based on Rabindranath Tagore's music. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, the most versatile Tanushree Shankar. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Our second judge on the panel, Shri Vikram Ghosh. The world-famous percussionist and new age percussion star, Vikram Ghosh is ranked amongst the greatest tabla players of our country. Equally brilliant within traditional as well as experimental genres, Vikram Ghosh has carved out a unique niche for himself in his diverse avatars as classical musician, new age artist and composer.